I feel like you are overdressed.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, probably.
It's alright.
I'm highly visible though.
You are highly visible. You got that going for
Not
you.
gonna get cold.
No.
You know, there's snow on the mountains.
That's true. There is snow on the mountains. Alright, here we go. Woo! Yeah, I'm sure I'd be fine in this. Let's see.
This is the mini lion's back.
It's just a mini lion? Oh. That's where we're staying, right down there.
Yep.
Yeah. It doesn't feel very mini. It feels like that's the edge. And that's the edge.
That's correct.
And we keep leaning towards each edge.
Yep.
That's what it feels like. So was that like the easiest thing that we're gonna do?
I don't think it's the easiest.
Wow. I'm really glad that we're not taking my Jeep on this right now.
So we got the lift kit.
We did get the lift kit. I mean, look at the, oh my gosh, look how tippy.
Yep.
I think this is still really bad.
He took a bad line. We didn't tip nearly this one.
Oh, okay.
That's the thing.
Oh,
Like the guy said about the telephone game, by
yeah.
the time the telephone gets that here,
Yeah.
it's a good thing I'm a good driver.
That's why he put you in the back. I know that's why.
Yeah, they saw, oh, these guys got their own number.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, this guy. Yeah, it looks so easy. And it feels easy when you're getting up there, but it feels uncomfortable while you're going over. You can't see anything but sky.
Very visually intimidating.
And yeah, visually intimidating and big fall offs on the side.
Yeah, look at that.
That's what I'm saying. Oh. Yeah, it looked a lot easier from over there. When we were, oh my. Wow. Whew. You know it's steep when like your stomach muscles engage? You know? This is really, let me just see if I can do level. Oh my. Yeah, that's, are you doing okay?
Maybe an inclinometer.
Oh no! Wait. Oh. Okay. Yeah, we need to know how steep we are. Oh, it looks so easy from down there. Oh, and it's two-way traffic. Let's not forget. Let's not forget. Okay. Yep. Oh, that's windy. That's very windy. Oh, it's two-way traffic. Oh, it's okay.
Look at that.
I'm really glad I'm not driving.
Thanks to it.
Oh my gosh. Oh no. Okay.
Like driving off it.
We are not taking my Jeep on anything like this. Okay, now see, listen. If I hadn't already done this, I would have thought, oh, that's not so bad. But I know once we get up there, it's gonna feel horrible, especially the top.
We'll be looking at the sky.
Babe, we don't have a tilt thingy, a pitch. We need to know what our pitch is.
We need an inclinometer.
Our pitch is going to be like pointing at the sky when we get to the top.
Yep.
Oh my God. Okay. People take their Jeeps on these things?
Yep.
Oh my God.
You gotta deflate the tires
Oh
though.
my God. I'm getting
this, baby. When in doubt, throttle out.
I don't think so.
Yes,
I'm gonna throttle off now. You got brakes? Like, okay.
You don't want to step on brakes when you're like this, though.
Oh my God.
Brakes.
Oh. Yeah, let's not make that move. Oh. Look at that canyon down there. You don't think we could like possibly roll into that canyon, do you?